I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 이름으로 가볍게 대화를 시작해요.
Here's my question. If I hear a name like,
하늘, can I say? 이름 예쁘네요.
or is that too personal?
좋은 질문이에요. 이름 예쁘네요 means that's a pretty name. It is light, polite, and a little softer than a big compliment.
한국 이름이에요? means is it a Korean name? It is a simple follow-up when you are curious about the name you just heard.
So the pattern is a two-step opener. First notice the name kindly, then ask a light question.
Let's unpack the first sentence. 이름 is name. 예쁘네요 means it's pretty, I notice. 이름 예쁘네요.
Now the question. 한국 means Korean here. 이름 is name. 이에요? Makes it polite, is it? 한국 이름이에요?
Listen to the natural feeling. 이름 예쁘네요. In English, it feels like, oh, that's a pretty name.
You may also hear 이름이 예쁘네요 with the particle 이. In quick small talk, 이름 예쁘네요 is natural too.
I notice there is no Korean word for your. English wants your name, but Korean can just say.
이름,
맞아요. When the name is already the topic, 이름 예쁘네요 clearly means your name is pretty in that moment.
The ending 네요 is important. It sounds like you notice something and are reacting gently.
예뻐요 means it is pretty. 예쁘네요 adds that noticing feeling. Oh, it's pretty.
so, 이름 예쁘네요.
Sounds less like a judgment and more like a friendly reaction.
한국 이름이에요? Asks about the name you just heard. 한국 이름이 있어요? Asks whether the person has a Korean name at all.
한국 이름이 있어요? It means do you have a Korean name? Use it when you are asking if they have one, not only about the name you just heard.
Got it. 한국 이름이에요.
Means, is this name Korean?
한국 이름이 있어요.
Means, do you have a Korean name?
Let's hear it in a short dialogue. Listen for the compliment first, then the question.
저는 하늘이에요.
이름 예쁘네요. 한국 이름이에요?
네, 한국 이름이에요.
잘 어울려요.
That sounded friendly. It did not feel like an interview, just a small opening.
잘 어울려요 means it suits you well. After a name compliment, it can be a warm extra line.
Use 잘 어울려요 carefully. It is nice but a little more personal than 한국 이름이에요?
이제 따라해 볼게요. Repeat after me. 이름 예쁘네요.
이름 예쁘네요.
좋아요. 예쁘네요 has a double 비읍 in spelling, but you do not need to push it hard. 예쁘네요.
Now repeat the question. 한국 이름이에요? Let the end rise because it is a question.
한국 이름이에요.
완벽해요. Now put them together. 이름 예쁘네요. 한국 이름이에요?
이름 예쁘네요. 한국 이름이에요.
Common mistake time. English speakers often translate your name is pretty too literally.
My wrong version would be,
당신의 이름은 예뻐요.
I can see why that feels heavy now.
It is grammatical, but in this situation it sounds stiff and not very natural. Say 이름 예쁘네요 instead.
Another mistake is asking 한국 사람이에요? When you mean the name. 한국 사람이에요? Asks if the person is Korean, not if the name is Korean.
퀴즈예요. You hear someone introduce themselves as 하늘. Which response is the most natural light small talk?
The answer is B. 이름 예쁘네요. 한국 이름이에요? It drops the stiff 당신에 and asks about the name, not the person.
That makes sense. I want to compliment the name and ask about the name, so B is the clean choice.
핵심 정리예요. 이름 예쁘네요 means that's a pretty name. In Korean, 네요 makes it a gentle noticing reaction.
한국 이름이에요? Means is it the Korean name? In English, think. I am asking about this name.
당신의 이름은 보통 어색해요. In English, do not force the word your into Korean when context already makes it clear.
한국 이름이 있어요. It means, do you have a Korean name? Use it when you are asking whether they have one at all.
Today's keeper for me is
이름 예쁘네요. 한국 이름이에요.
a tiny pear that opens a friendly conversation.
오늘은 이 두 문장만 기억하세요. 이름 예쁘네요. 한국 이름이에요?
다음에는 이름을 어떻게 쓰는지 물어보는 표현으로 올라가요. Korean ladder였습니다.